Finally, it's fun to confess.
So I don't know how I first came across this amazing product, but the first time I tried it, I was completely hooked because it's this lip gloss that's a perfect combination of a hint of pink, which is the perfect pink for me, the right amount of shine, and I can slather it on without, unlike lipstick, where I don't have to worry if I don't get it perfectly on my mouth. So, plus it's a long tube, and it doesn't have an applicator, and I don't have to use my fingers. So it hits all of my lip application criteria perfectly. And they stopped making it. It doesn't exist anymore. You're looking at my last tube.
Could be the last
It's the last one. I've bought it on eBay, and since they stopped making it, and some of the tubes that I've gotten on eBay have been stale and just basically rancid. They smell like stale oil. It's gross. So this is the last one I've been able to get that was good. And let's see how much is left. See, that's it. So I'm on a quest to find a replacement, and so far, no luck. As I said, my requirements are no applicator. I don't want to use my fingers. It can't smell or taste like perfume, which so many of them do. And the color has to be sheer, and it has to be pink with no frost. So, Naturistics strawberry lip gloss. I miss it already.
Now it's your turn. What's your beauty confession? Visit www.realself.com/confess.